Right here is why I'm not out there right now. Look at this man. He's spinning in one spot. I don't know why he's revving so hard. Jeez, dude. You're just polishing that piece of ice there. But yeah, this is why I'm staying put for now. You know, I got a bunch of these old geezers that are not moving anywhere, and they're way more experienced than I am, so I'm just gonna go ahead and stay put. This forklift. Think they'll unload you on time with this one? Maybe. You know, those warehouse workers are working hard. Oh, this is downright tragic. I gotta take a mission trip across the street to the Loves, and they have McDonald's and Subway, and I just called in and they said they recently got their power back, so they should be up and running soon. I don't know why the Denny's closed. Maybe the people aren't coming out to work. I don't know. But I gotta trek my way across the tundra again in search of some game. You know, it's survival out here. You gotta go out hunting for food again, you know what I'm saying? Getting my way over to the McDonald's. It ain't easy out here, fellas. It ain't easy. You gotta scavenge for food, you know? Well, it ain't much better across the street here. Look, this fella's parked in the street, right in the center of it. And that whole driving area is backed up, about 3 layers of trucks. So, yep, no one's going anywhere for a while. But, yeah, that Denny's across the street is pretty much closed. Hi, how's it going? Well, yeah, they're definitely open. Not the McDonald's, but at least the Subway. I think I'm gonna walk over to the interstate and see how the road is. See if it's safe to drive. But definitely not getting out of the truck stop soon, because it's all blocked up with snow and other trucks. Some of those trucks are moving, but the ones in the center are parked. I guess the guys are starting to get out. Those guys are all parked on the street, not going anywhere. But a couple of trucks are moving out, so who knows? Whew, look at this line. Look at this. This is the off-ramp from the interstate. Look at this line we got. People trying to get in to the Flying J that I'm at right now. That's the fuel islands over there. That's how big that line is. Damn. Well, that's the entrance there. And all these trucks are not going anywhere. All these guys are stuck, I guess. I don't know. But they're not going anywhere, because it's all backed up and blocked up. And these guys at the fuel island aren't going anywhere either. They're parked. There's guys in front of them that are parked. And none of them are gonna move. what's going on here. I didn't go to the interstate. There's no point. I can't get out of here anyway. There's no exit. Oh, these guys are just parked in. I'm not going nowhere. Oh, great. Now it's open after I eat a freaking Subway. If I knew they'd open, I would have waited. Jeez, maybe I'll get some coffee. I just had to stop by for some coffee. There's no way I can pass up having some coffee. Okay, I'm not fat. So I bought a CB last night, but I wasn't able to hook it up because these wires are supposed to go to the fuse box, and it's in here, and there's no wires that are coming out of there that are supposed to connect with these. So I'm just gonna do it in Sacramento that way. I'm gonna have the mechanic run a wire up to this area, but right now I bought this little adapter so that I don't have to use this wire anymore. Okay, so I've got it. I got those wires going into this. There's like a cigarette lighter thing in there, but yeah, I've got it set up. Let's see if it works. Testing the mic. Can you guys out there hear me well? Thank you. It's working. I'm good and ready to go, but I'm looking around and it looks like most of these guys are staying put, and I can't figure out why. You know, it's nice and sunny out there. The snow is melting. I see people driving on the interstate, but that TV room inside is full to the brim capacity, and you know, there's only a few open spots. A lot of the trucks are still parked. I don't know why, but I'm gonna head out there. I feel good. I feel like it's not. I mean, I've driven in a lot worse, so I'm gonna go out there and see how it is. You know, if something, I can pull right into another truck stop and shut right down right again. I don't really care. But I feel good now. So I'm gonna try it out. I'm gonna see what it's like out there on the road. And yeah, if something, I'm pulling in and shutting down again. I could still make it on time to at least 2 of those out of 4 deliveries, but it's Walmart. They'll reschedule. I'm noticing some ice out there. It's not making me happy at all. I went and got some fuel. I was pretty much almost empty. I had like half a quarter, but I got full tanks, and you know, that'll add some weight on me because I'm really light. I'm at like a little over 16,000 pounds. So I got some fuel, and I'm gonna head out back there. There's a few icy patches, man. They creep up on you, but if you keep your eyes peeled, you can spot them ahead of time and slow down. Yeah, it's a little dicey out there, you know. I'm not sure how much longer I'll drive for. I only did 209 miles, so I'm not too proud of that amount. But what am I gonna do out there, you know? If it ain't safe, it ain't. Listen, all right, listen to me. I'm 23 years old, all right. I got a whole life ahead of me. You are not gonna see me out there risking my life. Well, technically I already am. But I got plans in life, man. All right, I got things to do. So, you know, these are things I gotta live for. You're not gonna see me out there, you know, risking it for Walmart. They can wait, okay? They can reschedule. They can wait on their precious freight, okay? But I'm gonna start driving now. I'll test the waters out, you know. If it gets a little too dicey for me, I'm pulling into a truck stop and shutting down, man. That's how I roll. I should have just stayed in Cheyenne where I got that fuel. That was about 70 miles away, and oh, that was not a good drive. It is windy sideways out there. All right, it's blowing snow across that highway. Snow is accumulating. There's a layer. There's ice. I got a light load on me. No way, man. I couldn't wait to stop here. Oh man, it's not good in Wyoming right now. I'm just gonna go ahead and shut down here and call it a night. I'm like mentally tired from that driving, especially that last bit. I'm way too light to be taking chances out there right now. I'm just gonna hit the sack, man. I'm over here at the Petro, and there's a whole lot of space here for parking. Although there's a nice layer of packed snow here, almost ice that everyone's driving on. So I hope nobody slides into me. I'm kind of in the corner. The windshield got all dirty again, but this is it. This is where I parked. Look at that nice glossy layer. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah, it's kind of a big place here. A bunch of parking spots back there too. So I hope the rest of the guys heading out there stop. They're passing through, because it's just not good out there. It's way too windy. It's blowing all that snow onto the highway, and it's just creating this thick layer of snow and ice. Yeah, I'm ready. I'm ready to go. I'm ready to go to bed. This winter storm thing has got me wiped out, mentally speaking. It's tiring, man. I don't like being out here like this, but I'm definitely ready for it. I'm ready for this pillow right here. This pillow is oh dang. Me and this pillow are best buds right now. So I'm just gonna make this sweet and short. Thank you guys for tuning in. I am drawing a blank because I have already checked out. I'm already dreaming. Basically, I'm gone. I'm out of here. I'm already resting. My mind is out. My mind is. It's already shut down. It's shut off. It's running on 1% capacity right now. Okay. So this is all I can muster. Y'all have yourself a good night, and thank you very much for joining me out here on this weird blizzardy Arctic experience. So long.